Hey everyone, this is Naran. Welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is the 6th episode of our series From Zero to Hero. In the last episode, we talked about listening skill, how to practice listening at home, what are the materials that you need to listen to improve your English. In today's episode, we have something different but interesting. Yes, I will help you improve your listening skill. It's practice time. I'm going to help you practice your listening skill right here, right now. You don't just want to listen to things, like theory, you just heard about it. You don't want to just sit like that. You need to practice it. You need to listen actively and do practice it. So let's work together to improve your listening skill. Let's get started with this interactive session. First one, dictation exercise. This exercise is called dictation. In this exercise, I will read out few sentences twice. First one slowly and the second time in normal speed. You should write down what you heard. Don't worry if it's not perfect because we all learn from imperfections. So if you make mistakes or if you're not perfect, that is all right. You are learning from your imperfections. Also, if you need more time to write down the sentences, just pause this video, write your sentence or write what you heard and then continue. Please don't rewind it and listen to it again to write the sentence. Just listen to it twice, like I'm reading it, and then don't rewind it because this is your listening practice. From now on, there won't be any subtitles because this is listening exercise. So let's get started. First sentence. I wake up early in the morning and drink a cup of coffee. I wake up early in the morning and drink a cup of coffee. Second sentence. She enjoys reading books in the afternoon. She enjoys reading books in the afternoon. Third sentence. My friend is learning to play the guitar. My friend is learning to play the guitar. Now let's look at the correct sentences. Did you catch everything? If not, don't worry. Let's keep practicing. The second exercise, listening for detail. This is a practice that can help you listen for small details in a conversation. I'll read a conversation between two people. You will have to write down the answers for the questions that comes afterwards. Person A. Hi. Did you go to the new cafe downtown yesterday? Person B. Yes, I did. It was really nice. The coffee was amazing and the staff was very friendly. Person A. Great. Did you try any of their desserts? Person B. Yes, I had a piece of chocolate cake. It was delicious. Person A. That sounds good. I'll have to go there soon. I'll repeat this conversation again. Person A. Hi, did you go to the new cafe downtown yesterday? Person B. Yes, I did. It was really nice. The coffee was amazing and the staff was very friendly. Person A. Great. Did you try any of their desserts? Person B. Yes, I had a piece of chocolate cake. It was delicious. Person A. That sounds good. I'll have to go there soon. Okay, now let's look at the questions. What did person B say about the coffee? The right answer is person B said the coffee was amazing. Question number 2. What dessert did person B eat? The right answer, person B had a piece of chocolate cake. Question number 3. How did person B describe the staff? Answer, person B described the staff as friendly. So that's about the conversation. Now you might have understood how important listening to a conversation is, because to get the right answers for the questions, you need to actually listen to the whole conversation. So listening skill is very important in improving your English. Third one, summarizing exercise. Let's practice summarizing a paragraph. I will read out a short paragraph. Your job is to listen to it and write that short paragraph in just 2 lines. This summarizing helps you focus on the main points, and this can develop better comprehension. I'll read the paragraph twice. You should not pause anywhere, or you should not listen to it again, just twice. I'll read it 2 times, listen to it 2 times, and then write a little summary, 1 or 2 lines. Okay? Let's get started. John and his friends decided to spend their weekend hiking in the mountains. They packed their bags with snacks, water, and sunscreen. The weather was perfect and they enjoyed the beautiful scenery. After a long day of walking, they returned home feeling tired but happy. I'll read it again. John and his friends decided to spend their weekend hiking in the mountains. They packed their bags with snacks, water, and sunscreen. The weather was perfect and they enjoyed the beautiful scenery. After a long day of walking, they returned home feeling tired but happy. How did you do it? Isn't this exercise interesting? I'll show you a possible summary. John and his friends went hiking and had a great day in the mountains. How did you do? Did you get something related to this summary? It's okay. If yours is a bit too long, that's fine, because we are just starting, right? You need more time to practice and to get it right. You know what is the importance of summarizing? You can understand the core message of a paragraph. This is a very good skill that you require in your real life conversations. That's it for today's listening practice. Did you enjoy this session? Remember, the more you practice listening, the faster you will improve. Also, please try to comment down if you need more sessions like this, if you need any more episodes related to listening practice. I don't know how useful it was for you, so please try to comment it down and help me make a decision whether I should do again a video on listening practice or I should move on with other topics. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.